In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open Safari Downloads folder on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, we need to figure out where Safari Downloads folder located on our particular iPhone. To do that, we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down and get into Safari Settings. Once you are at Safari Settings, just scroll down a bit until you find Downloads. Then get into it, and that's where we can easily find out where Safari Downloads folder located on our particular device. In my case, this is located on my iPhone at Downloads folder. It can also be located at iCloud Drive, and also some different folder can be selected because by tapping at Other, we can set any folder as default Downloads folder for Safari web browser. Once you figure out your Safari download folder location, you need to head over to Files. Files application is official Apple application to manage your files on your device. If you don't have this app installed on your iPhone, head over to the App Store, then search for Files. After that, download that app, and then you will be able to easily find that app on your device using search. After that, after you have opened up the Files application, first off, I recommend you to head over to a Browse page. That's actually like a home page for Files application, and that's where at Locations we can easily find iCloud Drive and on my iPhone. As we remember, on my device, Downloads folder located on my iPhone, so I'm gonna get into it, and that's where we can easily find Downloads folder. We can get into it to check all our downloads. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.